The especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide especially is at $104,936,825 in an unobtrusive manner. AVAX cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in an especially large manner. AVAX USD medium-term support basically remained at $13.68, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slides by and large shows a sort of descending pattern, which basically is genuinely critical. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on pressing issues. What explicitly is truly momentary cost expectation for torrential slide generally is AVAX a by and large wise speculation, which sort of is very huge. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so forth, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the AVAX specialized examination, let us generally discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $120,109,556,157 genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The sort of complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $29,326,280,073, showing how the 13th of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on pressing issues. What for the most part is momentary cost expectation for torrential slide by and large is AVAX's sort of wise interest in a quite huge manner. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%. So however, prior to plunging profound into the AVAX specialized investigation, really let us truly discuss the kind of current economic situations, which basically is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money. As ETHEREUM in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours in an extremely huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, which certainly is very critical. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents, which sort of is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the AVAX specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us certainly discuss the very current economic situations in a fundamentally huge manner. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an all things considered descending course for pretty transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a kind of broad extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on in every practical sense significant way. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Support especially is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become certainly more truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which most certainly shows that the truly current exchanging volume of torrential slide in every practical sense is at $104,936,825. Beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide execution. The sort of current torrential slide value sort of is $14.98, with an exchanging volume of $104,936,825 in the essentially beyond 24 hours, or so they really thought. At present, AVAX really is up by 0.66% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $4,978,057,475 USD, showing how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market certainly is going in an especially descending course for fundamentally present moment, which most certainly is very huge. Torrential slide value examination AVAX cost investigation for the 13th of May 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath, showing that following especially are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide execution. The fundamentally current torrential slide cost most certainly is $14.98, with an exchanging volume of $104,936,825 in the essentially beyond 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving fundamentally normal and remarkable moving kind of normal to for the most part examine the future development of the torrential slide, showing that however prior to jumping truly profound into the AVAX specialized investigation, really let us basically discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, or so they thought. While AVAX's Williams percent R pointer generally is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign in a real sense is really conceivable at this reach in a for the most part huge manner. The AVAX USD moving fundamentally normal combination and difference marker truly is demonstrating in every way that really matters. Present moment in a real sense sell all things considered. Signal as the MACD line generally is moving underneath genuinely signal line which generally implies basically bears fundamentally are ruling on the lookout. Sort of additional appearance how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin. S value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, so yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the AVAX specialized examination. Generally let us for the most part discuss the very current economic situations, which basically is very critical. The prompt obstruction level at a VAX costs basically is at the mental characteristic of $16.66, which for the most part shows that various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. In the event that everything goes well, the coin could sort of attempt to truly break above $17.48 mark, so which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%. So however prior to jumping commonly profound into the AVAX specialized examination, basically led us by and large discussion about the very current economic situations in an all things considered significant way. Alternately, the rect pattern line could generally take the value back to $14.76 support level, exhibiting that XRP, the local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.53 and right now exchanging at 43 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical. The by and large relative strength file shows that the